Working with Lumen has allowed us to have amazing uptime, having multiple paths outside of our county, having multiple high-speed connections in our county, and then more importantly, keeping our customers online in the event of an outage that could be outside of our control. Hi, my name is Andrew Horton, and I'm Chief Executive Officer of Redundant Networks. We deploy geographically diverse, fully redundant fiber backbones utilizing DWDM technology. Our meshed fiber ring architecture is engineered for ultra-low latency and fault tolerance to power ISPs such as KitsapWiFi.com. Redundant Networks was founded to address critical needs for a backup connection that would prevent disruptions in the business world due to outages beyond our control. Our region's geography is a bit challenging with the way that fiber was initially laid out, which leads to frequent fiber cuts, making essential connectivity a challenge. Ultimately, we picked Lumen Technologies to help us build a redundant fiber ring, allowing us to serve customers across the region. Specifically, we chose to use Lumen's DWDM technology to allow us to build our geographically diverse fiber ring, allowing us to upgrade our network when needed without having to rebuild whole infrastructure. Working with Lumen has been really nice. They put a human behind a product, not just a number, not just a name, not just a bill, but someone who actually cares about their customers. I'd absolutely recommend Lumen to other businesses. Not only is the whole process from survey to services to install seamless, but Lumen makes things really easy for the end user. The future for us looks pretty bright and fast and high speed. Our ongoing partnership with Lumen is allowing us to expand our infrastructure, both within our county and outside of our county, not only adding redundancy, but adding true high-speed connections where your traffic goes from point A to point Z the quickest way possible without getting hung up.